tips for building your rap vocab. This has come up in a couple areas. One inside of the Rhyme Masters community, where I was asking folks what is their top priority in regards to their rap skills or well being. And one answer that came back was this person wanted to improve their rap vocabulary. They rap in English, obviously speak English well enough to rap in it, but their native language is German and Polish. So when we're talking about building a vocabulary, it could also just be kind of the quantity approach where you need to learn more words to build your vocabulary. And outside of rap, the way that you would build your vocabulary, you read a lot of different books, a lot of different magazines. Whenever you come across a word that you're unfamiliar with, you take the time, you look it up, and perhaps you write it down. I mean, the real trick is with anything that you're learning, especially with words, the more effort you put into learning the word, the more hooks you create, the more your vocabulary will grow. Or the other aspect of it is, are you just trying to increase the amount of words or the variation of words that you use in rapping? And the difference here is that sometimes we can get, stuck saying the same rhyme pattern, but even same like rhymes in a row. You may want to increase the variation of rhyming, for example, in the freestyle. So I can guarantee, because we don't spend most of your time just talking to people in rap, like prose is not rap. You're not going to the coffee store and everybody is rhyming to communicate. So that means that your speaking vocabulary is larger than your rapping vocabulary. So you're speaking, you'll say a word that's like, you'll notice like, oh, I like that word. And then you'll notice to yourself, I've never used that word in a freestyle or a rap. And then it's at that point that you would take out a journal that you always have with you and you would write that word down. Or you would take out that journal you have with you and write some rhymes that go with that new word. Or if you don't have a journal with you and you notice that there's a word you like, you quickly in your head make a little rhyme list and try to rhyme to a word that you constantly use. So you're trying to basically integrate a new rhyming word into your rhyme bank, if you will. You have a bank of rhymes that you kind of cycle through. Here's a new word that pops up that's like, ooh, I've never said venison in a rap before. And then you think, okay, venison, win again, penmanship, little slant rhyme there. And then like penmanship, I've said before. So now it's like, okay, the next time I freestyle and I end up with something on penmanship, I can flip it into venison. So just to increase your vocabulary in general, read a lot of different things. When you come across a word that you're unfamiliar with, write it down, look it up, and then use your senses, to try to make more connections with it